Let's talk about the course overview. So in this course, first of all, we are going to learn about the basics of Wireshark, and we'll learn about how you can install Wireshark inside Linux and Windows operating system, and we will talk about various interfaces. We'll learn about the various key functions inside Wireshark graphical user interface. Then we will learn about the Wireshark command line interface, T-Shark. Then we will learn that how you can monitor and secure cyber attacks in Wireshark. And finally, we will end up this course with the Wireshark troubleshooting steps. Now, if I talk about the course goal, then you can see in the first point that the course is designed to provide fundamental skills needed to analyze the network using Wireshark. So we are going to cover all the features of Wireshark inside this course, and student will also learn about the various features of Wireshark as well as troubleshooting steps inside network. If I talk about the setup, we have a very simple setup here. We have Windows and Linux machine, and inside both machines we will install Wireshark, and then we can use Wireshark for gathering information about the network. So why you should take this course? Because we are going to discuss about various features of Wireshark inside it. We will learn that how you can monitor and secure various kind of attacks inside your network, and finally we will learn about the Wireshark troubleshooting steps. So this is all about the course overview. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you inside the course. Hello and welcome to the section 1 of the course, getting started with Wireshark. Now in this section, we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, we are going to learn about Wireshark and Wireshark certification information, and we will also learn about the networking basics in this section. What is Wireshark and why we need it? Now in this video, we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, we will learn about what is Wireshark, and then we will learn about the various features of Wireshark. So guys, this is the official website of Wireshark, wireshark.org, right? And this is the website where you can visit and you can download the latest version of Wireshark. If you want to know more about Wireshark, then you can come down, and here it is. So this is all about Wireshark. What is Wireshark? So Wireshark is the world's foremost and widely used network protocol analyzer. So this is the very popular network protocol analyzer, and various organizations or industries use Wireshark for monitoring their networks. So it lets you to see what's happening inside your network or on your network at a microscopic level. So what packets are coming or what packets are leaving your network, you can simply monitor that inside Wireshark. If someone is attacking in your network, you can simply run Wireshark, you can analyze the packet, and then you can detect that the attacker is attacking in your network and how you can stop it. So Wireshark development thrives thanks to the volunteer contributions of networking experts. So there are various experts available who created this kind of project or tool around the globe, and it's a continuation of a project started by KernelKarma in 1998. All right. Now, what are the features in Wireshark? Wireshark is a rich feature set which includes the following. So these are the features here. First one is deep inspection of hundreds of protocols, with more being added all the time. So basically, there are hundreds of protocol are there in networking, right? And it can provide you information that the packet is using which kind of protocol. Live capture and offline analysis, absolutely correct. You can simply analyze the packets live, as well as you can analyze in offline mode. You can save the output and then you can send it to someone else and they can simply analyze in offline mode. Standard 3-pin packet browser, multiple platforms are available. It is available for all kind of platforms. So it is a cross-platform tool, right? So we will also use Windows as well as Linux operating system, because network admin generally use Linux and Windows operating system. So that's why. Captured network data can be browsed via GUI, so it has a graphical user interface. The most powerful display filters in the industry. So it has a filter, right? And using that filter, we can simply filter the packets inside Wireshark, that if you want to get information about a particular port number or a particular protocol, simply use the filter and you will get the information. Rich VoIP analysis. right? Read and write many different capture files. So you can save the output in .capture file, and then you can analyze in offline mode as well. Capture file compressed with gzip. Live data can be read from Ethernet. These all are available there. Decryption support is also available, including IPsec, Kerberos, etc. Coloring rules can be applied to the packet list for quick and intuitive analysis. So there are also rules are available like coloring rules, and using coloring rules, we can simply detect the attack which is going on inside our network. Output can be exported, so you can save the output. You can save the complete file in these formats like XML, PostScript, CSV, or plain text, and that can be analyzed later. So these all are the features are available in Wireshark. That's why Wireshark is the most famous tool for network analysis or network monitoring, right? You can also check the authors who created it or who contributed it. You can read about them. You can contact them if you want, right? So that is all about Wireshark, that what is Wireshark and what are the various features in Wireshark and why we need it. In the next video, we are going to learn about the basic networking terminologies.